Gwagwalada Beach. Gwagwalada Bridge is speed up. Hey, organic one.
Hey, see water. Hey, see water. No. Hey, what's the Gwagwalada Bridge? Hey, softly. Hey, see Gwagwalada Bridge.
This early morning, we woke up this morning and there was flood everywhere. I was even lucky to carry out my certificate and some of our things inside the house. If not, it would have been another story entirely. Like at the back of this yellow building here, that is after this yellow building here is my house, and you can see how this place has been really flooded. My house is at the back of this school, and everything, everything has been immersed inside water. There's nothing left again. Like everywhere is really flooded. Everywhere, like really flooded.
Yeah, this one are the worst. Why I don't experience? And this is happening right in Gwagwalada Flood, Abuja. FCT or FCT. It's crazy. The other one